Here I have Nokia XR20, and today I'm going to show you how to activate Hey Google feature on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then go to the Google section, then go to the settings for Google Apps, search Assistant and Voice, Google Assistant, Voice Match, and here you can enable Hey Google feature. Then tap OK, Next, Agree, Continue, and after that this feature will be activated. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.